comes to dancing, I'm going to show you a quick movement here. Let's just say I do this, or I do a spin, or I do something like this, okay? Those are a couple of movements. If I don't do those movements full out, then it becomes like, what are you doing? People see that. And so what I'm saying is, if I do, let's just say I do this. You see the difference between this and this? You see the difference? That's important. That's the same thing with this here. It's a difference from this. The reach is not the same, is it? No, it's not. So that's important technique. So half doing things isn't going to work in this thing called praise dance. You got to give it all up in every way. The next thing I want to talk about, hold on one second, I have a few notes. Flexibility. All of us have our own flexibility, how far you can extend, and so forth. That's fine. If you're flexible, wonderful. If you're not, it's still a way to portray that's there. And what I mean by that, that could be like extending like the back bends here and going up for worship. Some people can only just do this, and that's fine. But long as you look and reach, you can still get the same movements from that. If you look and reach from here. Yes, it looks better, but maybe it's just a step back. You see how my leg just go back? See that? In, back, up. There's a difference. So it's important to do your movements full out, flexibility. Those two things there, if you keep that in mind when it comes to anything you do, when it comes to praise dance, anything you do, you'll succeed.